Kelp, how long have you been on the faculty of this university?
I would say, prior to my exposure as a student counselor at USC 3 years. No, I went to post-grad, naturally. That was 2 years prior. No, there was a botany exposure that I had in one particular school. I had decided pre-med, botany, whatever. I would much prefer the sciences, in other words. I think I should really go back to the time that I graduated college.
How long?
Two years and 22 minutes now.
And Kelp, wasn't it approximately 6 weeks later that you conducted a rather interesting little experiment before your class? Let me see. I think it had something to do with an additive to gasoline for the purpose of increasing the efficiency of the combustion engine, right?
Yes, it was something to that effect, Dr. Warfield.
Do you happen to recall what that additive was?
Yes, as a matter of fact, now that you bring it up, the additive was specifically 3 parts carbon, 5 parts hydrogen, 1 part nitrogen, and 3 parts oxygen.
Which, of course, is?
And nitroglycerin.
The results were?
Negative.
And?
Noisy.
Noisy?